Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, today I wanted to show you something that I got. I got a new kitchen gadget, and I'm going to flip the camera around. Hang on. So I got this 9-cup KitchenAid food processor, and that's the brand I got. As you can see, it's black. There's a silver unit, and I got the black one because it matches my appliances in the kitchen. It comes with 3 slicing blades, and each blade is reversible, so they all have a different function, which is a big attraction what I wanted for the 3 blades. It comes with an all-purpose blade, and it comes with a blade to knead your bread, and it came with this little tag that was around the inside of the thing explaining how it works and stuff like that, which I kind of had one before, but a different model in not quite one that had 3 blades. The other one only had 1 blade. And it come with the owner's manual here, and of course you got the backside is all in Spanish, a couple of different languages. But I mean, I'm gonna really enjoy this. Something I've been wanting to get for a while. My other one died on me, and that just pops up, and that pops up like that. Of course, you got your hopper over here, and that just comes right off like that. See how simple that is? And so everything's all dish washable safe. That just comes right off. You just twist it a little bit and it comes right off, and that's what it looks like on the inside. And let's see, there we go. So the biggest attraction that brought me to this particular food processor, because all these blades fit right inside of the unit for easy storage, and you don't have to once you clean them up and put them back when you're done using it. Now, if there was any drawback to this at all, and I think all these processors are the same way, you got a short little plug. It's not really that long. I would say about 4 feet maybe. But if you're putting it on your kitchen countertop, chances are you don't need anything that big for a cord. My cord's over there, so I'm going to probably have to get an extension cord if I use this out in the back room, or move the table over a little bit. And I do a lot of my cooking out here in the back room, and my prepping, not cooking, cook in the back room. And then I move everything over to the front. But let me know if you guys have this particular model. How do you like it? It's got a on-off pulse. It's got a high speed and a low speed. It's all pretty simple and standard. And again, here's the lid for that. I got to take the taping off of that, but that comes out, and you feed your hopper. But that's the only part I got left to do as far as the taking off the rest of the packaging tape. Of course, I'll rinse and clean it all up first before I use it. But just thought I'd show you what I got the other day, and the other thing about it, it was reasonable. It was about $139. It wasn't that expensive. And the other one that I had, I couldn't even get it to work. I sent it back. It was a $250 unit. And but I had KitchenAid before, and I'm very, very comfortable using their product. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. And then my next video, we'll figure out what we're going to make using that. But I got a couple of good ideas what I want to make. Thinking about making a strawberry cheesecake this weekend using the processor. But don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and share my video. Thanks for watching.